Many wants to have the sexiest and the most beautiful body and face. Never question why. Am I a walking vagina or a sex goddess? Do I want to be beautiful because I want it to? Or because it's how water wants me to be? I own my body. But do I have all the control over it? The family says I have to take care of our name. I cried when I told them about the abuse and they convinced me to just forget about it. As if it's just a normal thing. Forgetting that they also have to take care of me. And I also have to take care of myself. Outside the so-called sanctuary of home, abuse seems to follow me. Wherever I go. Am I a walking vagina or a sex goddess? Whatever you think I am a woman, a human being who can feel pain and love. Grew up with a lot of shits going on with my life. I blame myself over and over and over. I've always given my abusers the benefit of the doubt. When I finally tell the truth, people doubt me. I am still trying to find my sanctuary, where I can find the real security, where I am protected against all the abuses and violence.